Hi everyone, my name is Sarthak, and in today's video, we're going to talk about an important security feature that is available in Tookan. It is known as validated identity. So it will validate the identity of your agent through OTP. When you will activate it, your customer will receive an OTP that the agent will need to start the task. So to activate this extension, you can go to extensions, and here you can search for simply you can search for OTP, and here you can click on activate. After clicking on activate, you see a pop-up which gives you an option to customize the message your customer will be receiving. So you can customize it for various events, start task event, arrived event, successful event. You can customize accordingly and then submit it. You can also come back later here and configure it if you want to change the other message. After that, you can just simply start using Tookan and start creating tasks, and the OTP will start going to customers. So let's say you're creating tasks from the manual way, create task button on the dashboard. Here you can enter all the details of customer, and the phone number which you will be entering here will receive the OTP to start the task. So the customer can verify that correct agent is completing the task, and you can also be sure that there is no error in the process of delivery and pickup. So that's it for this feature. And for more such feature videos and demo videos, you can check out our YouTube channel with the name of Shankar Works. Thank you. Have a good day.